Hi, welcome back. Let's evaluate this equation. We can rewrite the left-hand side as 3 lots of 9 to the 3x. Still equals 243. And we can now divide both sides by 3. So this becomes just 9 to the 3x. And 3's into 243 go 81. 81 can be rewritten as 9 squared. So we have 9 to the 3x equals 9 squared. Since the bases are the same, in this case 9, we can set the powers equal to each other. So 3x equals 2. And now by dividing both sides by 3, we get that x equals 2/3. And that's it. That's our answer. Let's do a quick check. Nine to the 3x equals, well, if x equals 2/3, 2/3 of 3 is 2. So that equals 9 to the 2, which equals 81. We have 3 of those. So 3 lots of 81 equals 243. So yes, everything is okay. I hope that was useful, and if you found that interesting, please like and subscribe. See you next time.